I created this ranking video in just 30 minutes, using only free tools, zero editing experience, and absolutely no budget. Let me show you exactly how I did it from start to finish. First things first, we need a brand. A YouTube channel that actually looks legit. I asked ChatGPT to come up with a catchy channel name related to ranking, something short and memorable. I chose Rank Rush. One very important thing, use an age channel to avoid getting stuck in the 0 views jail. You can also watch my previous video on how to escape that. Next, the profile picture. No design skills needed. I used Leonardo.ai to generate a clean logo-style profile picture. Just drop in the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Boom. It looks clean, professional, and completely free. Last step, the bio. Again, I used ChatGPT. Quick and simple. Now just put everything together, and you've got yourself a ranking channel. Now we need content. And that's where ranking videos shine. I look for trending ranking videos that got a lot of views in the past month, and pick one that performs well. Once I've got a solid topic, I go to TikTok or Instagram and search for funny clips that match it. For example, cheese pulls. Once you've got all your clips, it's time to edit. I recommend using CapCut. It's free and super simple. Drop your clips in. Now this is really important. Pick the best clip and place it at the very start. That's your hook. It grabs attention and helps improve your swipe through rate. Next, let's talk monetization. With YouTube's new update on pattern content, it's crucial to break away from the typical ranking video formula. Everyone's doing the same structure, and YouTube notices that. So here's how to stand out. Add a voiceover. I usually record a voiceover over the first best clip, introducing the video's topic. Something like, ranking the best cheese pulls. If needed, freeze the frame briefly so your voiceover comes through loud and clear. Then I recommend adding voiceovers to every single clip. These can be mini titles like Imaginary Pull or Melty Madness. Don't forget to add transitions and sound effects. For example, a swipe transition with a swish sound effect. If you want to level up even more, throw in some color correction and extra audio elements. The more effort you put into your edit, the better your chances of staying monetized. Now just export the video and you're good to go. And that's it. You've got a complete ranking video created entirely from scratch using nothing but free tools. Now hit upload and let the algorithm do its thing. If you'd like a video that covers even more, let me know in the comments.